Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking to fall in love with a new purse? Well, let me tell you, you found it right here. This is a large quilted hobo style purse. It's a Wrangler from Montana West. This purse is so lightweight and it carries an incredible amount of things. Now, I am an overpacker, and let me tell you, I can really stuff a purse, but this bag just kept on giving. No matter what I put in it, it was able to carry it for me. I love the fact that it has feet on the bottom, so it's going to be stable. When I put it down, it doesn't flop over. It also has this incredible, beautiful handle, but if you wanted something more than just a shoulder handle, you can add this optional strap that is adjustable, so you can make this a crossbody as well. It has a ton of pockets on the inside to keep you organized, and a very convenient pocket on the outside for quick access. Now, I traveled with this bag and it fit very easily under the airplane seat in front of me. And again, it carried so much, but it squishes down to almost nothing. So I was able to place it in my suitcase. And again, it's feather light. I love the relaxed, effortless style of this quilted hobo bag from Wrangler. And let me tell you, it's listed as blue, this particular one that I have, but I would definitely say that it hints to green or leans more towards green in my opinion. So a beautiful, rich jewel tone color. It looks good with your jeans and your cowboy boots or a dress. Really, you can take this purse anywhere. I loved traveling with it because it's lightweight and holds so much, but it's also beautiful. So you can't go wrong. I'm telling you, this is going to be your new favorite purse. And that is my point of view.